Hey Ogawa, please massage my feet. So guys, try natin tong kanilang massage chair. Actually may pangalan pala to, si Ogawa. It's actually a voice command. So kung may gusto kayong pagawa, sabihin nyo lang. Try natin. Hey Ogawa,
I'm here.
please massage my feet. Wow. It's working guys. Talagang minamasahe niya yung paa ko. Alright, ang sarap. Try natin sa back, sige, para higa tayo ng konti. Hey Ogawa,
I'm here.
please massage my back. Back massage.
Oh, right away.
Galing. Alright. O diba, nakapag-relax ka na sa napakagandang place tapos may ganito pang perks, no? Sarap. So, enjoy natin to guys. Since tamang-tamang masakit yung likod natin. Ayun, no? First time ko lang talaga guys makagamit ng voice command na massage chair, which is napaka-cool. And also guys, meron ditong cellphone holder. So habang nagpapamassage kayo kay Ogawa, so pwede kayo maglagay ng cellphone dito para, alam mo yun, Netflix and chill or YouTube habang pinapanood yung vlog ng Tipandaya TV. So pagtapos na kayo, pindot nyo lang to. Ayun. So pagtapos na kayo guys, pindot nyo lang to ng medyo madiin ng konti. Huwag masarang din, sakto lang. And tatapusin nyo na rin yung session. So alright guys, napakasarap. Pili ko nakapag full body massage tayo. Alright.